Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I need to apologize to you guys. Greg and I were moving, so in the last 12 weeks or so I haven't been able to put up a video, but I'm here in my new studio. Look behind me, it's a little bit of a mess, but I'm still unpacking. Please bear with me. Okay, we're going to try and do something a little creative with the acrylic inks. Love the colors of all of these. I've even got some of the neon bright ones too. These ones are the Montmartre brand. And I'm actually going to probably do a reverse dip or a plastic dip, whatever you want to call it, and try it out with acrylic inks. Okay, Greg's going to put the camera down onto the canvas so we can get started, and we'll play music in just a couple seconds. Thanks for joining me, everybody, and please, if you're new to my channel, hit subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, we're back. Now, I have not done anything with the acrylic inks except for just playing around a little bit. So this is going to be my first reverse dip or plastic dip. I got a big piece of crinkly paper here to dip the colors down once I'm got everything on my canvas. I figured I'd do black canvas because I've got some neon colors. And I'm going to use the Amsterdam's pouring medium. Not a base paint. Oop, I just spit on my canvas. And told on myself on camera. Of course I did. Okay. I'll try not to spit as I speak. So I'm going to do the Amsterdam pouring medium down here with a couple of colors for the background. Then I'm going to add some more acrylic ink, put the plastic down, and let's see what happens. Okay, hon, hit the music. Let's have some fun.
Such a drag. What's it feel like never having no real life? I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain. I'm just minding my business, but you're so in your feels. There's something wrong with your brain. 'Cause every time you talk it sound like blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like who hurt you? I wonder who made you so mad. Tell me, where did you learn to be so negative? You're such a drag. What's it feel like never having no real life? I don't know how you deal. I can't imagine your pain. I'm just minding my business, but you're so in your feels. There's something wrong with your brain. 'Cause every time you talk it sound like blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah. Your life must be so boring, boring out of your mind. Am I your entertainment? I promise I'm not even trying. Green really isn't your color. Please just give it a rest. If last time made you unhappy, wait till you see what happens next. Blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah, 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 blah. I'm just hearing blah, 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 blah. Every time you talk it sound like blah, 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 in this life, let me live, breathing in the air of your fire, undefined soul's desire. You don't even know what you did.
time, you all I want. Neither of us wanna be alone. Breathing in your love or your touch. Oh, it's what I'm living for. Say I'll never waste my time. I'm all you want. Oh, yeah, we live it up. I know for sure that I'll always be yours. We could be spending time, chasing nights, cruise the one until we see the sunrise. Hit my line, we align. Every night with you's the time of my life. Baby, don't feel no pressure. Yeah, you make everything easy, everything except leaving on. I'll never make you my enemy. Can't get enough of your energy. Know that you're feeling the same way. Yeah, we live it up, I know for sure that I'll always be yours. We could be spending time, chasing nights, cruise the one until we see the sunrise. Hit my line, we align. Every night with you's the time of my life. The time of my, the time of my, the time of, baby, you're mine. The time of my, the time of my, yeah. Every night with you's the time of my life. Oh, we live it up for sure. Oh, and I'll always be yours. We could be spending time, chasing nights, cruise the one